In this video, I'm going to show you how to split a table in PowerPoint quickly and easily. This is a simple but very useful trick if you want to separate part of a table, move a section to another slide, or reorganize your content without rebuilding the whole thing from scratch. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more PowerPoint tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open PowerPoint and go to the slide that contains the table you want to split. Once you're on the correct slide, click the table so you can start working with it. Now carefully select the rows you want to separate from the rest of the table. Make sure you highlight only the section you want to move because this will determine exactly what gets split off. After selecting the rows, right-click on the highlighted area and choose Cut. This removes the selected rows from the original table and stores them on your clipboard so you can place them somewhere else. Next, click outside the table so you can choose a new location. This could be another part of the same slide, a different slide, or a blank area where you want the split section to appear. Once you've positioned your cursor where you want the separated rows to go, right-click again and choose Paste. PowerPoint will place the cut rows in the new location, effectively splitting the table into two parts. From here, you can resize, move, or format each section independently to make your slide look cleaner and more organized. And that's it. You've now split a table in PowerPoint using a simple cut and paste method. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.